Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 SLT Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in maximum steel, looks great. You do have that chrome accenting on your grille up front with your halogen headlights and your chrome bumper just down there. Coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Look great, lots of tread left on them. You do have your heated exterior mirrors there and your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, we got a 6-foot box back here. We have that 4x4 badging, the SLT, and the chrome bumper back here as well. Opening this guy up, lots of room back here, 6-foot box as I said, and it does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and we got our panic button up there, but let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have that chrome accenting on your handle. You have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there. Handle here, some storage and more down here. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. This guy does tilt it back. And then you do have the controls over the seats right here, the lights right here. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights and low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also tells us how many kilometers we have, which is 59,000. Not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. You do have the direction you're facing and the temperature outside. Now that is all controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center, cruise control options right there. And then in the center here we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display. So you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. Media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Your compass, settings, and your more options. Volume up and down with the mute, screen off, or your back button, and your tuner and browser there. And then down here we do have the controls over our gears, so just like that. And then we have our 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then right here we do also have the controls over the climate. So we have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your heat and AC. You have your hazard lights. Then you also have your where it's going to blow out of. Some storage here. Storage right down there. Then you do have your traction control and tow and haul mode. In the center you have 3 cup holders with your armrest. Looks great. You do have some coin holders here and a USB and aux cord plug-in right over there. Close this guy up, lift it up, and then you got another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we do have our top and bottom layer for our glove boxes. Lots of room in there. You do also have some lights up here with the control over the window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting. You have the control over your windows and a handle here. Looks great back here. Very comfortable. Lots of room as well. Same material as the front. You can lift this guy up and you do have some additional storage just underneath there. As well you do have your cup holders right there. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Ram 1500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.